Evening.
Slept like a baby back rib. Yeah!
It is hot, boy. It's too hot to be cooking inside. I just took some of the Meals on Wheels with a microwave. I little spaghetti and meatballs one, and pasta rigate with marinara and Italian sausage crinkle all over top of it. This loose piece of Italian sausage. Yeah, it's too hot. I get hungry. It's gonna be sandwich meat. Right now, I mean, cookies and cream ice cream. About that one. I came back. I laid down about 3:30. Not bad. I was out, man. I must have been tired. I feel like I could do it again. I think I'm gonna. Although I may jump in the shower and get cleaned up and cool, put some cool water on before I get out. Cool my body down. I've got these air conditioners on full blast, man. Oh, I need them. I'm going to go to the store. Matter of fact, you see how late they're open. Everybody have a good day. Bye.